Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome in the TEFS Trading Room and the VIP room. I hope everyone is having a great day so far, a great morning, because this is the big day of the week, traders, which is the Fed decision day plus FOMC press conference after 2 p.m. today. 2:30 is going to be the FOMC press conference. Everyone is waiting for Jerome Powell to give some insights and to save this market, traders, because seems like this market is so far is just rolling over and bumped into the 200 EMA on Monday, and yesterday we have seen another nasty drop on the overall market. Well, I'm not complaining again because we had a nice green day in the TEFS YouTube room. Actually, one of the biggest call which I liked very much and I missed, it was just called one of our member, and that was a Tesla short under this 228.50 area, and actually this just made the day for the traders. Look at that, it was just falling down till this 222 area, so huge $6 trade. Fantastic. So thank you, Alamu, again for calling this. Hi, Clifton. Hi, Dor. Good morning to you. Nice to see you. And let's see what's coming next. Well, in my opinion, this day is going to be at least the morning, the same choppy as usual, traders. So seatbelts on. The roller coaster has not ended yet. And let's see whether Powell can just get some calm in this storm. Well, he needs to be really much optimistic with the signals towards to the future to calm really down this market indeed, because as you can see, it's still quiet, heavy, and volatile, which is not a problem. We are day traders. We love volatility, but not choppiness, right? So hopefully today we will see a direction, especially in the afternoon. So far, the market moved from red to green territory, not a huge green, 0.22 on the SPY, triple Q bit stronger, 0.35, and we have some candidates, nice candidates to start the day with. Hi, Mohammed. What is the lowest acceptable and psychologically comfortable risk amount as R for a single trader, considering that the total commission for the trade is high at $3? Well, listen, I'm not, I mean, this is going to sound maybe weird, but I don't care about the commission until I do not see my trader to be consistent in profit. Because listen, even with $50 a day, okay, it is a consistency. So I know that this commission and my profit is not going to pay out the commission and so on. It's just, it's just a very important part in a trader's life. But in the beginning of your journey, I would not say that matters. What matters, you need to be profitable. If you have a budget where you can afford, to open a bigger account, or if you are a funded account trader, which is much better in my opinion, because you are going to pay not just for trading. I mean that you can trade and learn, but you get a lot of education with a funded account, and you can have a much better, let's call it a risk reward ratio. Why? Because until on a CFD account or an equity account, you can get a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 max leverage. With a funded account, you can get it much, much higher indeed, and you can get a lots of help, as you can see. But indeed, the other important fact is definitely your budget. So for example, if you invested now, let's call it 5K to start trading with, and you have a CFD account, then in this case you can risk only $50 per trade. In this case, it's going to be still hard to become profitable at the end of the month, but the most important thing, you need to see profit from month to month. If you see that, you can just increase that number. Of course, in this case, the account as well, but the most important, that you can just increase your share size and the risk on your account. It should be 1% always. I would not go for 2 and 3%, because you can just see a very quick let's call it like down move on your account. So with that, be careful. So 1% is the very well known fact that this is the affordable risk for a starter trader, no more. So in this case, you need to increase your account indeed. Okay, so with that, please be careful. But if you want a more detailed answer and to share with me how big is your account at the moment and so on, please just drop me an email. I'm more than happy to help you guys. That's why I'm here. Okay, so Mohammed, feel free to write me. Hi Anne, hi Tara, hi Lee, good morning, Scott V. In the meantime, I've just started my day with the big news that Fed Day, it's here, arrived, and I'm still expecting some choppiness on the market in the morning, but the afternoon is guaranteed it's going to be a great trading afternoon too. So back to the market traders at the moment, as I see and as I mentioned you, the futures pre-market moved from red to green. This is already a great sign, but if you check the daily, it's still a very big risk of an rollover here on the 200 EMA. So let's just be careful. I'm going to watch two levels on the SPY traders in the coming days. And the first level is going to be the $550 level. If it's going to be broken like for good, this means that we are rolling over, and the next support can be around $500. So a big drop is coming. If the market is able to go back over 570 because Powell is going to get the power here and make a nice press conference, then in this case we can see a nice jump on the market, especially in a rate cut, right? I don't think so rate cut is going to happen because 97% of the chance that it's not going to happen, but if 3% is still there for a surprise. So in order in a rate cut or in a case of a rate cut, or if Powell is going to be hawkish and not dovish, or dovish not hawkish, sorry, like positive not negative, in this case we can see this 570 to break, but between these two levels we are still in a consolidation in my opinion. Okay, so let's just see what else has happened so far, because definitely we are waiting for the Fed, but there are some more news. Looks like it's a breaking news on the CNBC that union sues Trump and administration for shutting down student loan repayment plans. Ouch, that's not good. Let's see what happened in Europe and Asia. Asia, it's officially making a much better year so far than the US stocks. They are definitely moving much better, so outperforming the US stocks so far. And Asia today, though, Hang Seng is in green, but Nikkei just slipped back to 0.25%. Europe was quite mixed as I see. DAX is down, FTSE is up, CAC 40 is up as well, so quite of a mixed day. They are waiting for, of course, for the Fed decision too. And actually, Germany's defense stocks fall after the lawmakers open door to higher spend, and the sub is down 7%. So this is just driving the markets or the market lower in Germany. What else here? Indeed, crypto. Well, the Bitcoin is dancing hard around this 83,000 level. If the 80 is going to give up, I'm afraid it's going to be more bleeding, but so far Bitcoin looks like a bit stronger. So we can watch coin as well on our list. And if I'm just checking the 10 years treasuries, wow, look at the coin, not the Bitcoin, but the coin. What a perfect bear flag on the daily chart, by the way. So the US 10 years are going a bit lower, not too much though, 4.28% at the moment. So traders, there are lots of things here going on, but one thing is for sure, everyone is focusing on the Fed decision at 2 p.m. today and 2:30 on the FOMC press conference. And let's just move quickly to the big movers because we have some. Starting with Tesla traders. Tesla was a huge trade yesterday, thanks to Alamu in the TEFS Trading Room. He just called it perfectly. And as you could see, Tesla was just dropping down to this 222 area. Now, today, it's jumping a bit. There are some news as well. The electric vehicle manufacturer 3% higher after receiving approval from California Public Utilities Commission for passenger transportation permit. The company applied for the permit to offer ride-hailing services, which could eventually lead to it providing robotaxi services, according to the report from the Bloomberg. Wow, that's a huge news for the Tesla traders. Maybe the bottom is in. Well, let's see. It just fell a lot. And yeah, I thought Uber is going to be red on the news, as this is going to be rivals so far. So Tesla traders, I'm just going to put it to my long list. As I see, Scott's list is out already, and he just decided to put the stock to the long list. I am on the long side as well with the Tesla. Okay, let's see for the short side. I'm going to watch Uber here too. Indeed, a secondary list definitely, because this news can just impact even the Uber. Gilead Sciences, GILD, this is a pharma stock. By pharma stock, as you know, 2.7% lower, as Wall Street Journal reported that the Health and Human Services Department is weighing plans to significantly slash the federal government's funding for domestic HIV prevention. And Gilead, which sells medicines for HIV and AIDS, sold off on the news. Ouch, that doesn't sound good. And might I just found our first short candidate for the day. Well, yeah, it looks nice. Extended, it still has room to pull back even to this 105 area today, but lack of volume, 26,000 again, that's not enough for me. Also, I'm going to give a chance for GILD. Let's see whether the volume can pick up and we can short the stock. So GILD to the short side. Traders, if you have any questions, any candidates on your side, please just let me know in the chat or even on my email. I just posted it now. Okay, Goldman Sachs is here, taking nearly 1% lower on an Oppenheimer downgrade. Ouch, that's not good. GS at the moment, it is lower with 0.50%, but the volume is very, very low. So I'm just going to call it to my secondary list, the GS. Okay, General Mills GIS is the next one, which is on our short list as well. 3% lower after full year guidance and reported lowered it for full year guidance, sorry, and reported a top line miss for the third quarter. Ouch, that's not a good news. And finally, we have a stock with a great pre-market volume. I'm just going to put the GIS to the short side. House equity, it's another stock here which is down 15% HQY, and the reason for that 15% lower after weaker than expected fourth quarter earnings. Ouch, that's definitely hurting the stockholders, and the day traders are ready to short this stock a bit more. So the third short candidate is going to be HQ and Y. NVIDIA Big Day happened yesterday, as you know, traders on the GTC, the event, but unfortunately, it could not completely impress the stockholders, and as you could see, it was just rather falling. Now today it's trying to make a small bounce too. It's an inside day. I'm going to be careful with that stock today, but seems like it's starting the day on to the long side. Hi Nitsa, nice to see you. Yes, GIS, it's already on my shortlist. Thank you very much. We haven't got too many candidates so far, not too many news for today, but I'm still going to check my watch list and even the one of my favorite tool in the TEFS trading platform, and this is the gainers and losers list. And I see SIG 16% higher, STNE. STNE, it was a earning stock after the market close. Let's see how does it look like. It looks like as a lower price stock. It's a fact. And also it's very strong, 10% higher, 1085. It is over the Viva 200 EMA. It is strong and I like it. Traders, let's see whether it can stretch more. STNE, I really like it to the long side. GIS, it's there already. And SIG, it's here too. This is the Signal Jewelry. As far as I remember, it got earnings too, and very good earnings because it's up 17%. Also, this is not my particularly favorite mover, not a huge mover at all. I'm just going to leave it alone. What else in here? I'm just checking the stocks there. VG, no. ACAD is strong today. How about the Chinese stocks trader? Shopify, which I see is strong, 3% higher. Roku, 3% higher. Tesla, Nvidia, we were talking about already. SMCI, 2.66. So let's just check these stocks too, traders. WSM, very good. It was Williams Sonoma, an earnings stock. Roku, nice, very extended. I like Roku traders. I'm just going to put it to the secondary list. Mark, Steve, good morning to you in the VIP room. Martin, it's nice to see you. I see you are going to trade today. Please don't forget to send me the message after that, okay? And if you have any questions, you know, I'm here for you always. Okay, so BA, wow, guys, thank you, Anticipator, INTC, Baba. I'm going to check everything. I'm just going to put my Roku on the secondary list first. So let's see with INTC, definitely one of my best mover yesterday, which unfortunately I missed the second part of it, but today I am ready to take it again. Wow, okay. Seems like it's just moving completely opposite to the market again. It's down 3%. Definitely, let's just call it I'm going to call it to the short side, but you know, INTC can be tricky. So if the sentiment is going to be stronger, let's see what's going to drive it, the sellers or the buyers. Baba and Baidu and the rest, definitely I'm going to watch. Baba is moving back higher now. It can be an interesting reversal here. PDD is the same, of course. All of them, though, it's inside days. I'm not my favorite. I'm going to watch it, especially if it can break the 130 on the PDD. And I'm just going to check this Baidu here. How does it look like at the moment? Baidu, I think, it's just a profit taking. Baba and PDD can go to our secondary list traders. Hola, Raspi, ¿cómo estás? Tara BA, yeah, May's favorite, right? I remember he liked trading that all the time. And yes, you are right, big move on the BA. It was to put it to the long list. It's still on my ban list though. It just trigged me several times. So let's see how it is behaving today. Might I'm going to move it from my ban list. Traders, for the new ones, especially who just joined to our TEFS Trading Room ban list, it is about the stocks which tricked you in the past, did not behave very well, and that's why they are banned from trading. Every trader has a list, I'm sure, like that, and BA is one of my my stock on that list indeed. Okay, in the meantime, I'm still browsing for some movers there. NTS looking strong too. SMCI, I wanted to check whether it's just the day for a reversal here. SMCI, sorry, mistyped. Interesting, 38. No, it's an inside day as well, and it's suffering a lot, but I'm going to watch it, of course. Okay, what else in here? INTC, WSM, sorry, Nitsan, I forgot that stock here. So I'm just going to check it. BACEO speaking at Bank of America Summit likely about the Japan Airlines global expansion plans. News from DVG from the VIP room. Thank you very much. SIG good earnings, but yeah, it's not a big mover. I know, I know. Okay. TZO and Oli checking as well. TZO, WSM, it's okay to the short side. I like it. XPV for the long and LCID, I think we can watch it too. So WSM, I'm just going to put it to the long side and let's see this. What was that? TZO, Travel Zoo. No, this is not the one. TZO. No, I think you skipped the, it's a double O. Nissan TZOO. Looks interesting, but very low volume. And only Ollis Bergen Outlet Holdings. It is moving higher beautifully, but again, I'm missing the volume here. TZO, TZO, I don't have it. I don't have it actually. JDS checking. JDS. I don't have even JDS. Why I don't have JDS? I'm just checking on my other platform. Just a sec. JDS. No, I don't have GDS either. Okay, I don't know why. GDS. Okay, maybe this is going to work. Listen, I don't know why I don't have this TZO. In here, GDS looks interesting. I like it, and the volume is good as well. I like it. That looks good. That looks good, Mohammed. We can put it on the. I would say I never traded this stock, not a big mover. Just because of that, I'm going to move it to the secondary list. Todd, yes, GDS, I found it. Very nice mover, high volume. I like it to the short side. And did I miss something? NOW. Do we have any news on that too? In the meantime, traders market is still shifting a bit higher. Triple Q is stronger, but this I don't like. Okay. And in the meantime, as I mentioned you, Fed is coming with the decision at 2 p.m. and 2:30, the FOMC press conference. I think we have enough stocks here. I'm still going to put even coin to the list because Bitcoin is stronger. I mean, on my watch list. And I'm just checking which is the strongest among the big stocks. And I see Tesla. And I'm going to watch, of course, Google, Amazon, and the rest. So traders, I'm just going to post my candidates here to the VIP room. VIP room traders, have a beautiful, great green day. Thank you, team, and see you tomorrow. YouTube traders, of course, I'm just going to stay with you, for you here, and trading together until 11 a.m. So here is my list. Tesla, STNEBA to the long side, and I think there will be even more. Even Shopify, Roku, as I mentioned, you are really strong. Coin 2, Mara, Baba, NVDA, Hood is even pushing higher. Don't forget PLTR, guys. PLTR is always on our list. UPST, Amazon, AMD, Pinterest, Meta, everything is to the green side. So more greens than reds to start the day with. But don't be misled because as I've told you, traders, unfortunately, this can just change in a second. So let's just be careful with that opening. The reason for this, it is the fact that we have a Fed decision day. Until this 2 p.m., as far as I remember, we do not have any other news, but let me just check it today, the 19th of March. No, 2 p.m. Only, oh, sorry, crude oil inventories at 10:30. So if you like the oil stocks, let's just be careful because this can definitely shape the prices of XOM and Oxy and the rest. All right, which one? What do you think about TCEHY? I'm a bit suspicious of the of this stock, but let's see. What is that? TCE? Uh-huh, I mixed it. Then, oh, Tencent got some big news. Yeah, I remember. Sorry. Tencent, this is a Chinese stock. So for me, it's already starting with some guessing whether I should trade it or not. I don't like the daily, although it can be a mover. I know it got some big news. As far as I remember, yeah, Tencent profit surges 90% as it touts AI revenue boost and ramps up spending. So it seems like as a huge and good news for the stock. Pre-market volume, only 92,000, not my favorite, and 3.83% percent higher. Looks like as a mover, we can watch it, but it's not going to be my ultimate favorite candidate for today, especially because of the fact that the move on the daily, it's quite weird. Hi, Arika, so nice to see you. Banzai, nice to see you too. So great to see traders from the very past who are just with us for a while. Happy to see you here. And please be careful, you know, it's Fed Day. Not our favorite mornings, but our favorite afternoons to trade for sure. Todd, I think there is another ticker for Tencent too. Yes, Todd, I remember on that it was like you know what? I'm just checking. Tencent. I was TME, yes, TME, Tencent Music. You are right. You are completely all right. Scott started the VIP room, bit high volume. Okay, yes, you are right, TME. Now this is looking better. So Nitsan, how about to change the TCEHI to TME? This is though doesn't look good. So I don't know what is the I don't know. I have to admit, I have no idea what is the difference between this TCE something and the TME. But as I've told you guys, I don't like none of them indeed too much. So let's just stay with the watch list. And from my watch list, what I like is going to be STNE on my list for sure. This is an earning stocks too. It can move nicely. It is a lower price stocks though, but if you just check the historical prices, it has sometimes when it's just moving $1.5, which is not bad from a $10 stock. So STNE, I'm going to watch. BA definitely to the short side. HQY, GIS, GILD, I like too. INTC on my list as well. I'm just going to put it here. And what else we should get here? Just a second. Maybe PLTR, I have it. Okay. Let's go with Roku. Roku looks interesting. It's so extended to the downside, but not only Roku traders, we are getting really extended with some of the big names. So again, as I've told you, I'm just repeating myself. If we will get some positive tone from the Fed, even a surprise rate cut, which I don't think so is going to happen, but it has 3% to go with the rate cut. In this case, the market just can head higher. If Powell is going to be neutral or negative, rollover is going to be extended because the uncertainty caused by the tariffs is still here. You know exactly, it just can hit the market at any time, at any date, at really, like as you've seen the last one, it was during Sunday. So let's just be careful. Market is still not out of the woods. Also, it's on a decision point whether to roll over on the 200 EMA, continue under 550, or make a reversal and push over 570. So these are going to be my levels on the SPY to watch. SIG Todd, yes, I really like it to the short side. Also, in my opinion, it's a little bit too much to the downside. It's a bit extended on the daily chart, but let's see whether it still can even push lower on the SIG. It's among my short candidates. Actually, Scott likes it very much because he just called GIS under 59.50, HQY under 84, and what else here? GILD under 109. So this is the pre-market calls from Scott from the VIP room. So GIS, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, GILD, HQY, INTC, Roku on my list, and as what you can see is the NVIDIA, SMCI, PLTR, and Tesla. Do I have double? No, because sometimes I have it. Yes, Tesla is double, so let's just change Tesla for something else, and might is going to be GDS because you liked it very much. So let's see whether it can continue lower. Traders, we are just going to be open for business in 30 seconds. Good luck, everyone. Stay very much on the cautious side. XPV, I forgot. Sorry, I'm just checking XPV. And Shopify, yes, Shopify, I mentioned it's very strong. Shop, Roku, both of them are really strong. XPEV looks interesting too. I like XPV. We just started, traders. Good luck, everyone. Ah, Amir is here with us. That's great. Okay. Nice. So we just started, traders. I'm going to be careful with that morning. After these 2 days of fully choppiness, unfortunately, we need to be really, really careful here. And so far, market is moving a little bit higher again, which is a good news. But again, let's just be careful with the bigger moves indeed. Okay. DVG is watching Amazon already for a long. I'm watching here this Baba too. In the meantime, BA looking great. And yes, SMCI, I like it too. SMCI just called by Amir. I was just checking NVIDIA and SMCI, and SMCI looks like as a interesting one in my opinion. I really like it. SMCI. Okay. So SMCI can be a nice reversal play in my opinion, but only 39. PLTR I'm checking, which is quite strong. Market is pulling back, no entry on the PLTR. Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, all of them acting really nicely. But my ultimate favorite so far, it is Microsoft doesn't look bad either. It is just entering now, too soon, too soon. INTC I'm watching now too. INTC is going lower, and I'm just checking quickly my short candidates here. Market is moving a little bit higher now. GIS looks very nice for a gap and go play soon, which I'm going to check here. So traders, I'm going to take this SMCI with Amir, but with a bit lower share size because it's still very soon everything. HQY looks like as a great one too. XPV not bad either, my opinion. HQY looks really good under 84.78. This looks like as a possible continuation, but only again, I'm just checking it. 80, 85, yeah, maybe under 85, I don't know. Okay, SMCI, how does it looks like? SMCI, nice. SMCI stop loss, of course, it's under this 83.40. Market still moving higher, which is good. On this HQY, I am still just thinking. SPY is moving higher, triple Q not that much. GIS still looks nice for a possible short under 59.50, a little bit spready in my opinion. This is the only thing which I don't like too much. Okay, Roku is moving back. Roku is just moving back now. Come on, SMCI. BA looks like as a breakout traders. If it's not on your band list, might we can go for a high of the day breakout. Traders, I'm watching two stocks to the short side. One is this HQY, indeed, and the other one is the GIS, but none of them made this perfect reversal yet. So let's just be careful on this one. And again, I'm keeping an eye on XPV and LCID too. Okay. Amir is watching even QBTS. And he just called QBTS over 1117. SMCI, come on, don't give up, please. It's always doing it with me. QBTS, I'm still holding SMCI traders. In the meantime, I'm just checking the others, especially this HQY still and the GIS. If you have anything, please just let me know. Yes, now I see a valid entry on the HQY, and this is going to be under 84 and 44 with a stop loss over the high, okay? So this is going to be my next trade here. SMC, I am still holding it. GIS checking. GIS, I just missed. Sorry, traders. I was waiting way too much. Shoo. That was nice under this 59.50. Let's see whether this GIS or HIQ can do it. Okay, it has just entered. I want to see on HQ why, as we did enter under 84.40, I want to see a dollar. Okay, so 83.40, I'm going to take a partial. Very nice. Oh, wow. Good, 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 good. Traders, be ready to take a partial on this HQY. I'm just took it. All right, nice. HQY. Unfortunately, this GIS I missed. Wow, what a beautiful trade on HQY. And in the meantime, SMCI it's making a reversal too, so that is good. This is great indeed. Okay, come on SMCI too. That would be great to see. Okay, traders, with HQY, be careful. It was just touching or partialing point indeed. SMCI is still doing great. QBTS, I don't know. I'm not completely satisfied with that stock. Amazon pulled back completely. Was just watching this. Okay, just double my grid. All right, traders, so I'm still holding this SMCI, but I don't want to see under this green candle low. And here comes the HQY again. If you had no chance to take a partial, here we are again with the HQY. Tesla, yes, I completely forgot about Tesla, Raspi, sorry. And actually, it just made a nice reversal. I like Tesla. Mm, it's very rare when I'm taking it over the high, but maybe this is going to be, yes, Alemu, this is going to be an exception on that. SMCI doesn't want to work. It's unbelievable, this stock it is. In the meantime, traders, okay, here is HQY again. So if you had no chance to take a partial, please do it now. This is going to be a 75% off, and the stop loss is going to be over 80. 84 and 50, so 84 and 60. And yes, Tesla, I like it, but I must tell you, I'm going to take it only over the high, which is 234.22, okay? 234.22 on the Tesla with a stop loss under 232. Yeah, 232 actually. So I'm just going to call it. Just a second, I'm checking the rest. I'm just calling this trade first. Okay, and here comes HQY. It's beautiful, guys. I'm really happy of this trade. And GDS checking. GDS checking. Beautiful. Oh, I missed it. Sorry, anticipator. Beautiful. Very, very, very nice intraday breakout or down pattern. It's still, we can call it as a gap and go pattern. Looks nice. I like it. Just be careful with that because a little bit, I don't know, bit maybe spready. I don't even know why it's working like that or moving like that. All right, traders, so back to the market. It is moving a little bit lower now as I see, and or SMCI doesn't look good. The last chance for the SMCI, as I've told you, my stop loss is under 38.40. If it's going to make it lower, I need to get out. Tesla entry already in. BA, not like it too much. Microsoft is dropping to traders. Seems like the market is just giving up again, and especially the triple Q. So this is the time to check the TQQQ, in my opinion, and it just broke down. So let's just leave it. And here comes, unfortunately, SMCI. I'm really happy that I took it with a lower share size. HQY, it's still doing good, and unfortunately, the GIS I missed. And here we are, loser on SMCI, unfortunately. Sorry for that. So just a loser now. And let's see what else we have here. Well, overall market is still in a gap up, but barely, and the triple Q is completely giving up. This is the reason I think why SMCI just could not work, unfortunately. Big stocks, all of them are just moving lower. Very, very ugly, really. And TQQQ I missed. I really hope HQY is going to be impacted here as well. That would be great. STNE checking, and the market traders just could not make it. It's just moving lower. So one winner, one loser so far. So STNE, I like it very much. I like STNE a lot. And this can be an intraday breakout. It does not care about the market. That means that we can take this STNE. If I'm not too late for that, no, I'm too late. It was an 11:22. AMD Raspit checking. Nitsan, I missed STNE. If you are in, that's nice, but I just did miss it. HQY is still going, traders. Of course, Tesla, it's not an entry now. It's just breaking down, but I'm going to keep an eye. AMD very weak. Yeah, and as I see, even NVIDIA is pulling back. Look at that pullback here. Nasty. GIS, big miss on my side, traders. QBTS, it's unfortunately moving lower. Let's see this BA. Okay, so SPY triple Q moving, not too much though, toward direction, which was the first, the nice and green. Now everything is just pulling back. XPV, I'm checking this. Everything is giving up as I see. HQY, come on, give up. You two need to give up. How about PLTR? Yeah, these two. Nasty. Just getting here my daily. Oof, Now seems like even the SPY is just going to continue here. PLTR though is still holding itself, and Roku traders, these two stocks which I see that they're really holding. Shame on you, SMCI. I'm not going to ever take a SMCI trade in the morning. It's just acting so weird. Okay, guys, first support reached on the triple Q. First of all, fill the gap. Second, 475. Third, 200 EMA, 50 EMA, or 100 EMA, sorry, because it's intraday. Let's see whether it just can make the move. And I'm out of HQY. Unfortunately, it could not make a drop again. And I must tell you, I'm watching this PLTR, watching for a long if it can go higher because it was just holding nicely. And I like Roku, SIG. Just a second. And maybe still this Tesla can be interesting. Roku looks nice. Volume is, I don't know. Seems like ADR has done already, but Roku looks really good. SIG and WSM checking. GIS, what a miss. SIG looks very good in my opinion. Let's see whether it's spready or not. Oh, little bit spready, but not that much. So yes, GIS looks great for this breakout. Over this $60 level only, in my opinion. Microsoft is pushing back to this choppy, crazy market is back, traders. That's not good. I am in the reversal of NVDA. Nice banzai, yeah. I am on the Tesla to take a long. SIG, it's very nice if you took. Baba, checking. Overall, I have a winner and a loser, and I do not like this market too much. Also, I like what Microsoft and yeah, Microsoft over the high traders. I love the volume. Maybe it's too late, but I'm going to take Microsoft over 386.05. Nice. So Microsoft looks very good for continuation. 386.05. Here it is. On the Microsoft, I'm just going to enter with a smaller share size because I missed my own entry, but it still looks good and the market is just moving. Okay, so if the Microsoft goes again over this level, 386. So now 386.10 is going to be my entry here, Microsoft. Let's go, Microsoft. Market beautiful. Maybe we got some news. I don't know. But I really, really like this Microsoft. Okay, traders. So Microsoft is in. I'm just going to focus on that, okay? On the Microsoft, I would like to see like a 80 cents. Stop loss, it's of course under the VWAP. So let's see an 80 cents on the Microsoft. BA continues, GIS down, QBTS is down, PLTR, yeah, nice on the PLTR decking. I've told you it can be strong. Roku I did not take because I just do not feel like it can make more ATR quite down on that stock. And in the meantime, traders SPY and triple Q are moving higher now. SPY just broke the high of the day. Triple Q not yet. Very nice banzai on the NVDA, and I must tell you, I'm going to join to you if it goes to 117. If it goes only to 117. SMCI finally is just making the move. Bit too late, unfortunately, but it's finally making the move. And BA2, guys, if you took BA over this 170, it's on my ban list, unfortunately. This looks like a great trade. Well done. Okay, PRTR pulling back. Market is still holding. My Microsoft, it's okay. I was expecting that this bull flag to be formed here. And I'm watching even Tesla for a possible 233 break and go higher. So TSLA, which I am watching as well, can be interesting, but only over 233 if it can move at all. I'm not sure. Let's just take a chance on the Tesla traders. 05. Okay, let me just check INTC and the rest. Traders, if you have not taken Microsoft yet, now it is a valid bull flag, which means entry over 386.25, stop loss under 385. INTC still weak. SMCI, shame on you. Shame on you. Ah, GIS was a big miss, guys. I was just watching, and I did not take it. Big mistake. All right, traders. So Tesla, let's see whether it can show some strength. On the Microsoft, I want to see a 388.80s, and the overall market is forming a bull flag. I am watching NVIDIA too. That looks interesting as well. BA beautiful. I would take a partial if you took it. Disney, nothing. Shopify still looks interesting there, in my opinion, but only over 128. Come on, Microsoft, come on, market. This is the time to go now. BA moving higher. SPY triple Q still in a consolidation. Oh, Microsoft, come on. HQY though, it's forming another interesting breakdown pattern. Also, it's a bit slow. It's just slowed down. I don't like to see this slowing down thing here. NVIDIA still looks good, in my opinion, especially if it goes back to the VWAP and breaking the 117. And I want to watch the Apple, to check the Apple, what the Apple is doing. SPY is hopefully ready. Apple broke out traders. It's just helping to the tech stocks. Let's see whether NVIDIA is going to join and help to the stocks too. PLTR can be interesting too, but maybe just over the high now. mRNA. Let me just check mRNA too. All right, traders, I have two trades at the same time. I don't think so I'm going to take a third one, but it seems like both of them are just moving to the right direction. I mean, I'm waiting for Tesla, but Tesla is not. It's not going to enter. All right, traders, 50 more cents to take this Microsoft, and now I can watch for another one because it's not going to be a trade on this Tesla, in my opinion. All right, so what else you have on the list? NVIDIA just arrived over the VWAP, which I like. Amir shorted SMCI? Ah, I have not seen it, 38.50. Wow, okay. Okay, SPY triple Q breaking out. Come on, Microsoft. Come on, Microsoft. 50 more cents. WSM checking. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one for the short. Beautiful, very nice reversal. All right, traders, NVIDIA, I hope it's going to give me another chance here. If it's making a consolidation, I'm going to take it for an entry. PRTR, I like it, but just over the high. And the overall market is breaking out for new daily highs. This can push or a Microsoft, hopefully, to the green side. On the Microsoft, I'm going to take a partial 75% soon in 20 cents. All right, traders, here comes Microsoft. I'm going to sell 75% of the share size And stop loss is going to be under 380, 595. Okay. SPY triple Q still pushing higher. That is great. Unfortunately, NVIDIA did not give me the chance here to join, but I'm still keep an eye on PLTR2, especially over this 85.50. Well, let's see. SPY triple Q still stretching higher. Okay, traders, Microsoft taking my 75% off here, 386.79. Perfect. And as I've told you, I'm going to move my stop loss to 380, just under 386. Nice, 74. This is what I wanted to see. And took 75, 386, 75, 78. Fantastic. And let the rest run if it's going to run at all. Okay, so far 2 winners, 1 loser. That's good. Unfortunately, I missed the NVDA. Nice NVDA, by the way. And Microsoft hopefully is going to push back to this 390 level, especially if this strength is going to hold on the market and not going to be short-lived. Okay, SMCI, shame on you. Look at that. I know it's just you cannot take it in the first minutes. SMCI is a type of a stock which likes to, to wait a bit and then to show what it really can do. PRTR, starting not to be so convincing for me. Traders, please let me know if you have anything else on the radar. I'm canceling the Tesla at the meantime because it just did not do it as it should, and of course checking the rest of the movers. SPY triple Q nicely back to the green, SPY 0.59, triple Q 0.72, and Apple is amazing today. ADSK strong, MSTR coin, wow, SMCI, I hate you. GIS, you missed it. Yeah, level 2, big miss on GIS. I should have taken that one, not the HQY, but not complaining. MSTR, big move as well as I see. I guess coin is the same. All right, traders, Microsoft coming for the second partialing point here. Fantastic. Very good trade. Let's go for 387.40. Semi-round number. Market still pushing higher though. Coin flag. Okay, here we are. I don't know whether it can make the break over the 3. No, it cannot. So stop loss on the Microsoft is going to be under 386 and 50 now, 386 and 50. And I'm taking a second partial here. And the rest is definitely for let it run. SPY triple Q stopped a little bit after this nice move higher. NVIDIA is back to the VWAP. I'm watching it too. Great partialing point on the Microsoft, and let's see now whether it's going to form another consolidation and break higher. HQY was a nice VWAP reversal. I missed it. BA still pushing higher, traders. Chinese stocks are weak. Overall market is strong. We have not seen the market so strong for a while. Baba at VWAP, Tara checking. Baba. Not bad, not bad. Let's see whether it can make a consolidation here. So traders, my only trade at the moment is Microsoft with the last shares, and I'm going to move my stop loss under 386 and 70 now, 386.70, because it's just making a nice consolidation. I'm going to watch SMCI for a reversal and VDA here too. but we need to see the market to push higher, in my opinion, first. Phew, what a day. Big dump, now big pump. So what's coming next? Volatility is guaranteed on Fed days. Okay, very nice bull flag forming on the Microsoft traders. And might I'm going to join this NVIDIA here over 117. Ah, I don't know, not my favorite. Let's just choose something else. Okay, I'm just checking my strongest, weakest ones here. Roku. It made the breakout. I thought it's over because the ADR was quite done. Oli is moving too. That was a nice VWAP reversal. I missed it, but it's very spready, unfortunately. I would have not taken it. Shopify, not the best. BA, that was great. Such a shame it's still on my band list. AVG Oli, yes. Good old Broadcom, right? Let's see. Oof. And the good old spready, ugly formations. Nice. Yeah, that was a nice breakout over 189.20. We can still watch it. I'm not very much impressed though on the volumely, and it's an inside day. Only this, it's a bit taking me off. But as a setup, looks quite nice. GILD yeah, I just forgot about this stock. AVGO needs to break 189.50, in my opinion. Too much to the downside. Yeah, I see it's too much to the downside. Does not mean it cannot continue lower. If you want to take something like that, HQY, it's the same. Then in this case, go just for a scalp. Okay, Raspi. You are in already, AVGO. Good luck with that. Okay, let me just check this AVGO. All right, traders. So in the meantime, market is moving higher, and I'm just thinking which stock to choose, SMCI or NVDA, because SMCI can be a nice reversal over 39.60 with a stop loss under 39.20, or NVDA over this 117.41. So these are the opportunities now. Google checking. Market, it's pushing still higher, but slowing down a little bit. That looks good, anticipator, but the same just by every break over the high or under the low traders, it needs to be handled as a scalp. Reason for that, then the market is okay pushing for new daily highs, but starting to slow down a little bit. So be careful with that one. I still rather prefer this intraday breakout on NVDA or a reversal on this SMCI, but only over 39.60. These two which I am watching at the moment. AVG, I really hope it's going to break your 189.50. Really, one day it's just tricked me, so I don't going to take it. But good luck with that. And I cannot decide which one to take. NVDA or SMCI traders, help me. Which one to take? SMCI or NVDA? NVDA. Ah, it's here, so we need to be quick. So SMCI, it's over 60, 39.60, and here it is 117.40 on the NVDA. Your choice. You can take whatever, guys. the one which you really like. I'm going to go with SMCI now because I missed the NVDA. But I'm wondering who is going to go for NVDA and who is going to go for SMCI. SMCI only over 39.60, okay? But if you prefer NVDA, go for it. 39.60 stop loss, it's under 39 right off. Okay. Now let's see SMCI second trade. 62, it's my entry here. Or Microsoft is still doing great, and I'm just going to move my stop loss under 386.80 traders, 386.80. Shopify just made a reversal to BA back. Market still consolidating. How about INTC and PLTR? PLTR nothing. INTC is moving back a little bit as I see. PLTR nothing. HQY nothing. Ah, INTC touched the 200 EM8, guys. I like this. What else? Which is Baidu. Baidu, I wanted to check it. So far, NVDA was the best decision. Congrats for the ones who just took the NVDA. Well done. More for NVDA than SMCI. Great trading. So if you took NVDA traders, there is going to be a partial soon, just around 117, 80, 90. And SMCI, whether it's a double bottom here or it was still not the reversal point. If not, let's just go for the VWAP touch and then to continue higher. Or Microsoft breaking out, very good. As I mentioned, you're not going to take any more partials. I'm just going to move my stop loss to 386.80. And I still like SMCI. And if you took the NVDA traders, here is the partialing point. Well done. Great trading. And the market is pushing higher too. Good news. Tesla over the VWAP. Yes, it looks nice, but my entry, it should be still, let's wait for a consolidation. Okay, Lar, but looks good. Very nice, Banzai. Very, very nice. Really happy that you just catched it. Now let's see SMCI. Can you make another move here? Oh, beautiful Microsoft. Push, push, push. Bulls are back, but somehow I feel might is just going to be a short-lived. Let's see. So Tesla though, let's be careful with the Tesla because this was the stock which just, until the market pushed higher, this was just going lower. So that's not a good sign, in my opinion. But you are right, Tesla is the one which can just change its mind and go from red to green in no time. So let's just check it, Lar, definitely. And especially if it's making a consolidation here over this 232.30 level, something like that. There is still not a clear pattern, but I'm waiting for it. PLTR surprisingly going lower now. How about XPV? Just checking. Okay, guys, SMCI is going to be 40 cents. Meta, it's not on my list. Oh, XPV was a nice reversal too. Wow, yeah, you are right. It's really crazy. Okay, SPY triple Q still pushing higher. Microsoft too. Let's see the SMCI whether it's able to make any move here. So far, not to the upside as I see. SPY pushing for a new high. Tesla, it's making the move here. Looks interesting, the Tesla now. But still the entry over this 232, maybe 50, I would say. SPY triple Q still on the highs. Come on SMCI. Just the 30, 40 cents we need here. Go, go, go. Okay, 230. I'm just checking this Tesla here in the meantime. But you know what? 230, 260 in my opinion. Not even before on the Tesla. So let's see whether it can go over 230, 260 with a stop loss under this consolidation low, which is actually 231. Full point, Lee. Yeah, I see. This is a crazy mover. Okay, traders, or SMCI is moving as well. And on the Tesla, I'm going to take it over 60, 230, 260. Okay, SMCI nice. 10 more cents to take a partial here, like 95 around. Would be great because I'm not sure whether it can push over the 40 level. So I'm going to be extra careful with the SMCI. Here we are. All right, traders, I am ready to take SMCI first partial. I will be out 75% here and let the rest run. 91, perfect. And I'm a bit afraid of this 40. That's why I took my partial here. And I'm going to put my stop loss on the SMCI under 39 and 50. SPY triple Q still on the highs, but I feel like they are getting a bit weak here. Everything is making a bull flag, but again, market is getting a bit extended in my opinion here. Okay, traders, so Tesla in. Let's go for $1 for the partial. If it can do it at all. Actually, 234, just before 234, that would be great to see a partial on the Tesla. Nice one, Tesla. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, come on. Okay, SPY to book you just stopped a little bit. Under 39.60, I'm going to be out on the SMCI traders. So again, if it goes under 39.60, I'm going to be out. Come on, Tesla. Just before 234 would be great to see a partial on the Tesla. Out of NVIDIA, this was more than okay for you. Fantastic. Yeah, NVIDIA is pulling back. So traders, I'm out of the SMCI too. So that was another partial. But I hope that Tesla is still going to make this move here. Come on, Tesla. I want to see on the Tesla a beautiful dollar move at least. So go, go, go. This means 233, 70, 80. I'm going to take 75 of my share size again. Here we go. Be quick and efficient. 233, it's here. Let's just stretch a bit more here. Market though, it's consolidating, not too much indeed. SMCI out and Microsoft still in. Stop loss on Microsoft is going to be under 387 traders, 387. Oh, come on, Tesla. Scott likes Baba for a short here. In the meantime, there is a big fight on the Tesla in the meantime, traders, what I see. We definitely do not want to see that under the VWAP. So let's go Tesla. Market still consolidating, but pushing a little bit higher. Also, sometimes Tesla does not care about the market. We could see it until the market went up. This just went down. Funny. We go for the 233 again. Good. Broke. Stay. Don't go back. Come on. Oh my God, I really forgot how much I hate Tesla actually. It's not very often that I'm trading it. Hope Elon is not listening to me. Just kidding. Okay, guys, I don't like this, that it's just fighting so much with the 233, but what can we do? I'm still giving the chance. Market in the meantime is just making a consolidation, nothing else. Yes, it's Tesla, right? I can't believe it's coming back again. This is such an ugly, nervous talk. Wow. But you know what? When it just starts finally, it can fly like crazy. So hopefully it's going to happen now as well. All right, traders, this 233 seems like a really big barrier for the Tesla, but it's trying to just break it for the third time, as I see. Not with a big success so far. Market is still just consolidating, not too much. And Tesla is just the good old usual Tesla, stressing you out. Microsoft behaving well, stop loss under 387, NVDA pulling back, AVGO, Lee, fantastic trade. It's still holding nicely. I like it. How about Amazon and Google? Raspi, let's see your Google call here. It was just for a scalp. As I've told you, be careful with these breakouts over the high, but now it's looking better, by the way, on the Google, GOOGL, because it can be a VWAP, a possible VWAP reversal. Come on, Tesla, 233.15. Okay, here we are, finally. I'm ready to take 75% of my share size soon. Don't go back, because I'm really going to be angry now. So this is the reason why I don't read Tesla so often. I train my nerves so far, but Tesla still can be too much. Yes, you are waiting to AVGO pullback to try to take it. Nice. Good, good, good. Okay, traders. So Tesla, it's playing on our nerves a little bit, but my finger is on the button to get my first partial out here. Also, I want to see at least $1, which means 233.60s. Moving market does not help. Nice anticipator. Well done. Happy to hear that. All right, traders, it's official. I can do the first partial on the Tesla, 75% off. Done? No, sell it. Okay, I've sold and I'm going to move my stop loss under 232 and 40. 232.40. That was not an easy win on Tesla as usual. And I really hope now it's just going to start going higher. And VDA making a VWAP reversal traders. Looks like even maybe Google as well. Also, I'm a bit worried because the overall market, it's a bit extended in my opinion. Or Microsoft is still fantastic, guys. My stop loss, it's just under 387 and I just leave it like that. Phew, what a day. Tesla. Stressla Tesla. You are not making it easier. Ooh, nice reversal on the Google. Sorry, guys, I was not paying enough attention to that. Okay. I feel like we are here for like 2 hours already, or we are trading for 2 hours already, and it's not 2 hours, it's just actually a 40 minutes. Or 50, sorry. 50 minutes of trading, and so much things just happened already. If you took the Google VWAP reversal, beautiful over this 162, I would take a partial soon here because it's 1 hour already. And let's see whether it can just move higher. My stop loss is going to be 230, 235 on the Tesla last shares. And checking for my next opportunity here. If you have anything, yes, the King, Netflix. And traders, please don't forget, if you have any questions regarding trading, test packages, challenges, anything like that, just drop me an email and look around the website, especially for the new ones. Okay. And Netflix, wow, that's a bit extended. What a perfect intraday breakout, guys. Look at that. Shoo, that was nice. Exactly, the King. Like that's just a wow. Beautiful, very nice. Okay, guys, on the Tesla, please be careful. 35 to 32, 35 is my stop loss. Um, And VDA seems like as a VWAP reversal here over this one, 1750. Again, I just do worry a bit about the market at all. BA, scared of the volume. I'm scared of the whole BA, not just the volume. I don't like this stock too much. But yeah, that was a clear VWAP reversal. Now, I don't know. This is, right, it's BA. It can go even more, $2 more out of Tesla traders. Am I out? Wait, just checking it. Yes. Tesla. I was expecting 235. Come on. Never mind. Looks like this is my day. Except of Microsoft, I'm having a scalping day. Indeed. And yes, as I've told you, yeah, BA still continues. Unbelievable. All right, traders. So the market is surprisingly strong today. Also, it started quite interesting, but now it's just making a very nice move. I feel like I nailed it. Also, again, I just did not make the right decision to choose the GIS over HQY in the beginning, but I'm not complaining. It's still all green. I'm just checking MSTR coin and the rest. Metaphor reversal checking. I'm going to move it. The SMCI is not that AVGO. Don't need that anymore. Let's wait until it's checking into the VWAP, okay? And then we can watch it. Sorry, for a reversal. Agree. I'm just checking the Twilio. It's strong too. My top 20. It was in the old platform. The gainers losers list. Twilio too late. Coin. Everything is on the highs. This is the problem. We need something for a reversal like Meta, but now Meta touch the VWAP, so it was a little bit too much. Touch, even pushed under the VWAP. That's not a good news. So let's be careful. PLTR is not strong today at all. Look at that, guys. Ugly. Apple for reversal checking. Traders, Microsoft is out in five. Now, Microsoft is out. So I am flat for the day. And green. And now let's see whether it's going to be such a roller coaster day that this is going to be like, you know, a big dump now after a big move to the upside. I can imagine, so be careful. Let's be ready for any scenarios on this crazy market, please. Apple for reversal looks interesting. Also, I'm not sure it's still going to reverse here. Meta, though, LAR is just touched the VWAP. So in this case, I would take it only over 584.80 maybe. PLTR dropping. Overall market is still holding into this consolidation, nothing else. Yeah, Tara, I was just watching it. It was a nice intraday breakdown, actually, especially under this 84.50. But I just can't believe it's so weak. Amazing. Will you do with STNE after first partial? Oh, checking. I did not take it because I was too late to take, unfortunately, and I'm just checking. Okay, this was this intraday breakout in the beginning over 11.21. So yeah, this 20 cents was your first partial. Listen, put your stop loss under 11.24, like 23, and let it run. Let's see if it still can run. Unfortunately, I feel like maybe it's over because ATR down. It went nicely to the upside, but I think it's over. SMCI. SMCI consolidating, but I feel like, Raspi, that we will just witness a pullback on the market. So be careful. I'm not jumping into any reversal now. I'm waiting for the market to see what's the next step here, okay? So if you made the partial, Nitsan, on this STNE, and please just make it like a break even or even under this 11.23, which I mentioned you, and just let it go. Maybe it gets another buying pressure here, or so the chance is starting to be lower now. You're welcome. Okay, traders, let's see how is your day doing today. Crazy, crazy day again. Okay. Okay, here is the poll. I just made the poll. Green, 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 green. Wow, that's good. Yes, Lar, it just completely gave it up. I just push a green. Level 2 small green, that's good. Small green on a fat day, Wednesday morning, that's very good in my opinion. One small green for you, that's good. So green, red, break even or no trade for today. These are the opportunities to check in on the poll. Okay, Meta in the meantime is just making the reversal, but as I've told you, I would not take it just before this 584, I don't know, 80 maybe. Fluo green, nice banzai, happy to hear that. One hour small green for Yuli, that's fantastic. Very good. Nice, happy to read the greens. Green is my favorite color. in trading at least. Okay, guys, that's good. Very good. And mission is to keep it because as I've told you, I'm still expecting a small pullback now in the market. So really watch out for the longs now. I would not touch anything for a long now. Let's just wait how the market is moving out on these lows because the triple Q, especially the triple Q, started to pull back already a little bit. Apple for a reversal. Another tough day. Yeah, well, actually, Lee, we can call it the whole year so far as a tough year. Checking Apple. Now it has not touched yet the VWAP, but it's getting closer, Lar. And as I mentioned you, overall market is pulling back, and this is what I was expecting now to see. All right, triple Q is back to the 50 EMA $478 level, and let's see whether it can roll over and make a nice push back towards to the highs, or that was it and might a broader pullback coming. Shopify checking. This can be a VWAP reversal too, not bad at all. I like it. Do you think we down further on Skype? We go down further. Dicking, it depends so much on this Powell speech, in my opinion. Like whether he's going to give a little ray of hope that the market's going to be okay because they will be ready to step in if it's needed or not. I think everything depends on that because if this uncertainty stays with the tariffs, I think we will see 500 today. Today, not today, but never say never. But maybe this year. I'm going to call it a day. See you next time. Nice. Happy to hear that you had a nice green day, Banzai, and nice to trade with you again. Yes, exactly, the king. This is my projection as well. 520 first, and if the panic is big enough, maybe 500. Yes, NVIDIA holding nicely. Meta not really, and not even Google, but NVIDIA is nice. And now Apple, again, let's just see to touch this, the 216.50s or 60, and let's see whether it can make a VWAP reversal, okay? All right, traders, so we are trading for an hour now. Nice green day so far. Also, the market slowed down significantly, in my opinion. This needs to be, we still needs to see the next move here. All right, guys, market is still on the verge of a pullback. Don't be misled. It has not ended yet. But you are right, NVIDIA is still holding nice. This is the best place to trade with others. Nice to hear, Banzai, and really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, market. These bulls are really fighting today, guys. This is the first real fight for a while from the bulls side, in my opinion. PLTR is reversing as well. I see that, and I like the volume too. But again, I still need more proof from the triple Q, especially that it can make this reversal. Thank you, the king. It's very nice of you. Yeah. this little trading family here, which is growing day by day, which is great to see. It's fantastic. Really great for you to check in every day and trade with us. Netflix, yeah, I think Netflix is going to be a runner for today, in my opinion. But I still want to somehow check on this reversal. I still do not feel this is the bottom trader. So let's be careful. As I told you, I'm not going to be surprised if we are going to see the market to break down to the VWAP again and maybe continue, because as you know, it's a big uncertainty with Powell too on the horizon. PLTR can be interesting, Lar, if we are going to make a nice formation here, like a cup and handle or something like this. And I must tell you, Meta doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I mean, for a reversal, but it's starting to look better for a short, especially under this 582.50 area. Let me just check on the big picture. If the market's starting to move more to the downside, only in this case. Ooh, yeah. Look at Meta daily. First of all, it's an inside day, not really good. But yesterday day it was quite of a big range, so it's okay. So let's see. Took Apple reversal from the top. Raspi, nice. Well done. Well done. TQQQ short ticking. Oh yeah, of course. What else, right? And I must tell you, I like it, especially under this 6110. Yeah, because then we still have 20 cents to go till the VWAP, take the first partial, and let's see if whether it continues. Here comes the 100 break. Nitsan, did you call it? Or oh no, it was not Nitsan. PLTR over close of the day 84. Unfortunately, I see it's pushing like crazy, but no formation for me, unfortunately. Yes, Raspi, I think the same, that the market volume is going to slow down a bit. What a reversal on the PLTR. Mm, missed the bottom reversal, and now it just did not give another chance. But yes, over 84, we could have taken it on with a 60, 83, 60 stop loss, something like that. I don't know whether you had a chance to take it or not, but if you took it, then I would take 84.40 for a partial, and then let's see whether it can make a move there. Guys, Apple is just touching the VWAP. So Apple needs to make a VWAP reversal in order to have the market to push it higher. Hmm? One green, one red, still on the market. It's still not out of the woods. We have several great VWAP touches and reversals like Apple, Meta, Google still here. I'm watching PLTR if it can able to break this 84.50 maybe. Tesla, I'm disappointed in the Tesla. I thought if finally if it's breaking really this 233, it's going to go like it should. It did not. And I want to check this INTC here too. INTC. No, still weak. But PLTR, beautiful pullback. I really like this PLTR. Let's see whether it can make a move over. Yes, exactly, Lar. That's really nice in trading, guys, and from the stocks. Most of the stocks, they're giving a second chance. So don't worry, don't feel FOMO if you just could not participate in the first move, because usually they really like to give a second chance. SEID is moving higher too. I'm just keeping an eye on that. But it's still a slow mover. I don't know, what about XPV? XPV just made another nice reversal here. I just missed it. Houston, we have a problem. Apple is under the VWAP traders. So it still can make this reversal here, but it needs to really form a nice reversal candle here. If not, it's going to move back to 216. Keep an eye on Apple. SPY triple Q still nothing, traders slowing down, as Raspi just very well wrote that as it is a Fed day and the decision coming soon in like 3 hours, that's why the market participants, traders are going to, just step aside and waiting for the decision. That means that slowly the volume is drying up and everyone is charging for the 2 p.m. news and especially for the 2:30 FOMC press conference. Looks like traders, Apple is not stopping. So I'm really thinking on this TQQQ now. We can see a pullback, and this can be under, I don't know, 61. Now only under 61.10, like 0.8, something like that. I'm still not calling it, waiting a bit more for the market. Let's call it. Decking. Let's take a last TQQQ. Now under 61. I just 60, 0.5. Now let's see whether we can pull lower here. NVDA breaking down. I'm in. I want to see a 60, 60, 90, 60, 80, 60, 90 for the first partial. Microsoft also can be a good reversal. Yeah, still they can still be reversals, but let's see whether the market can make a reversal on the VWAP, and it has not touched the VWAP yet, like completely. That's why I've decided to take this chance on a small scalp. Hopefully it's going to work out on the TQQQ. As I've seen, Apple continues lower. NVIDIA just made a move lower too. It would be great to see a 60-90 for the first partial here. PLTR made a reversal as well. Meta moving lower, Nvidia moving lower. Apple, though it's stubbed, things are starting to be crazy here, guys. Be careful. On 1690, around 1690, I'm going to take my first partial here. And I'm going to be out 75% of my share size. Actually, even 80 because this can be a reversal point here for the bulls, maybe. Ah, yeah, the king, but we still need to touch the 1690 at least. Not giving easy. 95, good. 5 more cents. Come on. It's always making a reversal there. So annoying. I think we will get it soon, guys, on my. Here it is. Here we are. Very good. I'm just taking 80% off. Stop loss over 61.05 or 10 and then let it run. So I just took my 75% off. Stop loss 61.05. Okay. Highly likely this was just a quick scalp. If not, we will get a very nice winner at the end, in my opinion. Market just touching the VWAP. Next partial is going to be around 60-60 if we go lower. Hmm? Now the Apple is touching the 100 EMA. Nvidia is still pushing lower. And Meta, as I've told you, it looks good for a short side. It would be my first partial, but I did not take it. And I'm going to be out soon on the TQQQ traders. This was just a scalp, highly likely. If the dump is not going to be continued. And on a day like that, you never know what's coming next. Okay, I'm almost out. Not yet. SPY triple Q trying to make a bounce here. Okay, traders, out of the TQQQ, this was just a quick scalp. It's okay. And let's see whether the market is going to make the reversal here. If yes, we can focus on now maybe on Apple. Nice, Salamu. Happy to hear that. That you're just ending in green. AVGO, scared of the red candles on the spine. Yeah, I think it was a good decision. Let me just check this AVGO. How does it look like now? AVGO, yeah, I see why you were scared. Maybe around this 189, Lee. I would not take it before. Market is still struggling though here. I just wanted to get a quick scalp on this TQQQ, but I'm not going to be surprised if it's just going back to the VWAP and breaking it down. So let's be careful, guys, here. So now it's pushing, maybe pushing back a bit more. Let's see. Apple is still weak. It's back to this 216 level. It's quite of a strong support. But I'm afraid if it's going to break it, it's not a good sign for the market. This meta, it was a really nice short. Traders, I think the volume is starting to dry up too, so I'm not going to be surprised if there will be any decision by the market side until 2 p.m. So let's just watch out for the next trades, in my opinion. Don't push it if you cannot see a great and clear setup. Just don't take it. That's it. Hmm? SPY triple K's moving back to the VWAP, towards the VWAP. Apple breaking down. Be careful with the longs. We're just breaking down this 216 now. PayPal checking. No bueno. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, it's and even I would say volume is not high at all on the PayPal today, Raspi. Not my favorite for today, this PayPal thing. SPY triple Q are still trying to make a reversal here. But NVIDIA and Apple, they look weak. They do look really weak here. Now let's see whether the market can make still this decision or a reversal here. Meta looks like it's going to add a bit more to this drop. SPY's heading back to the VWAP again. And as I've told you, I see Apple still a little bit weaker. Tesla may be too late, 232. No, it's not late, and it does not care about the market too much, but just let's be careful with the longs now, anticipator in my opinion. Okay, and the market is still moving down. Wow. Not in my TQQQ anymore, but it's still moving a little bit, not too much, but a bit. And Meta continues. Apple broke the 100 EMA, and even NVIDIA is just making a move lower again. So let's be extra careful with the longs at the moment, at least. SPY broke the VWAP, triple Q broke the VWAP. If they are going to break, especially the triple Q 477, it can be a continuation easily. Did it? Oh, okay. It's good. I just cannot, check them all, unfortunately. Ooh, yeah, you're right. That was nice. GDS. And it still has room to go, in my opinion. Amazing. That was a good one. PLTR holding, I agree, but it still looks like as a inverted cup and handle. Market should stop now and make a reversal. It could have a impact on the PLTR too. I don't know. Meta was a perfect intraday breakdown. Now I regret I did not take it. Apple is still suffering, guys. NVIDIA do as well. If they break the lows, market is going to pull back. So again, still watch out with the longs, please. I'm not going to take any more trades because I have 5 minutes to go. But that was a nice trading day. NVIDIA is hesitating a lot on this 116.50 area, or so SMCI is breaking lower now. This Apple, which I don't like, it's just nasty. If it's breaking this 215.70, I think it's going to continue, and the volume it's a bit higher as well. So maybe because of fear, the traders are going to sell off here before the FOMC. I don't know. Let's see. Lar, if you are watching this PLTR, I would take a long earliest over 84.50 for an intraday breakout. But just if we have a sentiment, a momentum on the market, because I must tell you, it's just starting to move really slow again. So I am flat at the moment. Apple broke this consolidation to the downside. If NVIDIA is breaking this as well, then I can imagine it's the triple Q going back to 475. So more trades on the TQQQD King if it breaks down. Okay, if the market is not going to stop here, traders, we see maybe a total pullback. As I've mentioned you, I'm not going to be surprised on that move today. Oh, Amir called AFRM over 46.40, a firm AFRM. I have not seen that, sorry, but that was a nice reversal, 46.40, nice winner. AFRM does not care too much about the market too. Now let's see this TQQQ again. Yes, that's a perfect entry there. If we are going to move lower, I like it. I'm not going to take it anymore, but I like it. All right, traders. I hope you enjoyed this day. Afternoon is going to be crazy, so seat belts on. If you are going to stay trading, the next one I promise I'm going to trade with you. By the way, so I've decided at least on big events from next week on, and when I'm going to get back from the holiday, I'm going to start trading with you at least the big events in the afternoons, okay? So that's going to be great. Today, unfortunately, I cannot because I have still a lot of things to do here, but the next month, I'm going to be here for the afternoon for the big events like FOMC meeting minutes, FOMC press conference, and so on. That's definitely a time to trade with you. But today, that was my day. I just call it as a day, a green one. Really grateful for that. And I hope your day is going to be green and even greener at the end. If you're a starter trader, don't push too hard the afternoon trading. How the market is moving during this, especially the FOMC press conference. So the big moves usually starting after 8:30 or 2:30, and it can even move in waves like up and down and really like big waves. So be careful on that and go as a scalper. So trade as a scalper. This is the best suggestion I would say for the afternoon. Thank you, Dietmar. Green Day, fantastic. Lee, thank you very much. Thanks, everyone. I really enjoyed trading with you as always. If you liked it, please just give us a thumbs up. We really appreciated that. Thank you, Raspi. Gracias. And I'm going to see you tomorrow, of course. Thanks a lot, Tara, Anticipator. Have a great day, everyone. And see you at 9. And be careful for the afternoon if you're trading it. Bye.